Hey, it's Mike Osborne here at Zoomtopia, head of ITSP Sales North America for Grandstream. We are a Zoom certified partner. One device we're going to talk about is our excellent GXV3470, which is a touchscreen, also Zoom integrated. It is a video phone, as you can see, with this wonderful camera up top. Automatically come with the Zoom integration on it. It is Android as well. So with this particular phone, what you'll be able to do is just sign in if you have a meeting that's upcoming, to where it'll automatically be able to join the meeting. You hit the join button, it'll jump you right in, and again, you can use the full color screen here, all touch screen, automatically broadcast the video to this particular device. This is something that is fairly new for us, just because we released it here probably right around the beginning of the year, and we're seeing great results from it. It's beautiful, as you can tell. It does have a physical headset as well. It is corded. So please definitely check us out if you want to learn more about this particular device in regards to the specs of it. Go to www.grandstream.com, and we'll definitely be able to tell you more, or reach out to one of our contacts that we do have on our page as well.